A lot of us in the Philippines would like a second ATM card for our Schwab or Fidelity checking accounts. Redundancy is key to keeping access to your money in Western banks while living in the Philippines. Using Schwab and Fidelity, we already get the best exchange rate and all ATM fees reimbursed. Having a second debit card, ATM card is handy if one is lost or we want to give one to our special person. With credit cards, we could just add the names to our accounts to get duplicate cards like I did with my Capital One Saver card. With a card like Schwab, which is an ATM card, you must have a social security number. If you live outside the US, you'll have a comparable ID number that they will require. I called Schwab. They emailed me a PDF form I could use to add my son to my checking account. He is 21. He had to be 18 years of age to get a debit card. All my son has access to is a checking account where I typically keep $400. Keeping $400 means I can withdraw 20,000 pesos in the Philippines. I just take my son's card with me to the Philippines and bingo, I have a backup. Each Schwab checking account requires you to have a brokerage account too. So technically, my son has access to a zero balance brokerage account and a checking account in which I may have $400 max. Hey, the card's with me. My son can't access my IRAs or other investments. If my wife leaves me for a jeepney driver named Ramon, she'll have my son's ATM card with her. I can call, I can cancel the ATM card, I can get a replacement, I can move on with my life. As I mourn the loss of my wife to GP driver Ramon, I will still have my own ATM card in my name. Catch you in the next one.